Preparing the sticks for the wall section. Always best to cut them oversized so they can be trimmed as in this video. Also, best to make a jig so you can cut them to size, as it's a repeated process. Trimming this end off because it's a little bit bent. Then placing it against the stop. You've got the mark at 5 foot where you can trim the other end. Next step is to gently fill with your fingers any rough spots or where twigs were and flatten them out. As you have to alternate the wall sticks, thick end to thin end, all along to retain the balance of it. The thick end has to be tapered to approximately the size of the thin end. Any sharp edges on the ends have to be sanded off. This is a really important step in yurt building. Dropping the stick on the floor ensures the flat edge lies on a flat floor. Here you see there's a couple of kinks in the stick. These can be pulled out on the edge of the bench. By applying a little bit of force, the appropriate place.